Did you know that the real estate market is shifting dramatically, and even big-time investors are feeling the heat? What if I told you the trends we're seeing in 2024 could spell huge opportunities or challenges, depending on how you prepare? Let's dive into the data, the insights, and what it all means for you. Hi, I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners in North Georgia, license number 442664. I specialize in helping clients find income-producing properties, rental investments, and smart real estate opportunities. Whether you're a first-time investor or a seasoned pro, my channel, The Real Estate Compass, is here to guide you in navigating today's market with confidence. In today's video, we're breaking down a fascinating trend: why investor home purchases are syncing along with the real estate market at large. But stick around, because understanding these shifts can position you for success in this changing landscape. Let's dive in. The current landscape of the real estate market. All right, let's start with the facts. 2024 has been a tough year for home sales. Prices are high, mortgage rates are even higher, and inventory remains tight. It's like a three-way chokehold on the market. And while investors typically play by a different set of rules, they often pay in cash and don't sweat mortgage rates as much. They haven't been immune to these challenges. According to CoreLogic data, investor home purchases have declined significantly, mirroring the overall drop in buyer activity. This year, fewer homes are being sold, period. And guess what? The portion of homes being snapped up by investors has also fallen. But why is this happening? Let's unpack it. Why are investors pulling back? First, we need to talk about the elephant in the room: slowing price growth. For years, the real estate market was a dreamland for house flippers and iBuyers. Prices were climbing so quickly, it was almost impossible not to make a profit. But today, the brakes are on. Thomas Malone, an economist with CoreLogic, puts it perfectly. Real estate is now a less attractive asset for many investors. Flippers are finding it harder to make their numbers work, and even large-scale iBuyers have pulled back. Here's where I bring in my own perspective. I've worked with investors who used to turn properties like clockwork. They'd buy, renovate, and sell in a matter of months. But in this market, profit margins are tighter, and they're taking a more cautious approach. Can you blame them? It's a different game now. How does this compare to the post-pandemic boom? Let's rewind to the pandemic years. Remember 2021? Investor purchases of single-family homes hit their peak, with nearly 150,000 transactions in June alone. It was like a gold rush. But fast forward to September 2024, and we're looking at just 75,442 investor purchases nationwide, a 22.5% drop compared to September 2023. This isn't just a national story, though. The decline in investor activity is playing out across nearly every state, with the exception of Oregon and South Dakota. And no offense to South Dakota, but it's a smaller market where even a few deals can make the data swing. Now, if you're in Texas, it's a different story. Dallas and Houston are still seeing high investor activity, with San Antonio and Austin not far behind. And here's an interesting tidbit. Cities like Los Angeles, Atlanta, and Las Vegas have some of the highest shares of investor purchases, upwards of 30% in many cases. So if you're in these markets, you're still seeing investor demand, just not at the same frenzy as before. What does this mean for you as an investor? So, what's the takeaway? Should you hit the brakes like some of these investors? Or is now the time to jump in? Here's my advice. The cooling market presents a window of opportunity. While some investors are stepping back, savvy buyers, like you, can step in and find great deals, especially if you're willing to look at properties that might need a little TLC. But it's critical to adjust your strategy. This is where I get excited. Real estate investing is never one size fits all. Maybe flipping isn't as profitable as it was 2 years ago, but buy and hold rental properties? Those can still generate steady cash flow, especially in markets where rents are strong. The trick is to run your numbers carefully and think long-term. What's next for the market? While no one has a crystal ball, we know this. Real estate is cyclical. What goes down will eventually come back up. The key is to stay informed and be ready to act when the right opportunity comes along. That's why I created the Real Estate Compass, to help you navigate these market shifts and make smart decisions for your future. Remember, even in a slower market, the best time to invest in real estate was yesterday. And the second best time? It's today. Are you ready to make 2025 the year you finally dive into real estate investing? Or maybe you're already in the game and looking to sharpen your strategy for bigger, better results? Well, buckle up because today I'm breaking down everything you need to know to kickstart or turbocharge your real estate investment journey. Whether it's generating passive income, building wealth, or securing your financial future, 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for real estate opportunities. Again, I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners here in North Georgia, license number 442664. I specialize in helping my clients uncover smart investment opportunities, whether that's income-producing properties, rental investments, or deals that make you think, why didn't I buy this sooner? On my channel, The Real Estate Compass, I'm here to help you navigate the world of real estate, providing insights, tips, and a little entertainment along the way. Today's topic: how to start your real estate investing journey on the right foot in 2025. I'll break it all down. How to choose the right strategy, build your dream team, avoid common pitfalls, and take action that'll set you up for success. So, grab your coffee, notebook, or maybe even your phone to take notes. This is going to be good. Let's dive in. 1. Narrow down your focus. Here's the thing: real estate investing isn't a one-size-fits-all game. There are dozens of ways to get into it. Flipping houses, buying multifamily units, house hacking, short-term rentals, REITs, and more. But trying to do it all is like walking into a buffet and loading up 3 plates. You'll be overwhelmed and probably waste a lot of money. Instead, take a step back and ask yourself, what am I passionate about? Do I enjoy working with numbers or DIY projects? How much effort and money am I willing to invest up front? Do I have a specific market or neighborhood I love? Personally, I love helping my clients discover properties that can generate consistent rental income while appreciating over time. But your ideal strategy might look different, and that's okay. Pick one approach and get really good at it before branching out. And for the record, if your spouse doesn't know about your real estate plans yet, you might want to have that conversation first. Trust me, nobody wants a surprise, we're buying a duplex moment at dinner. 2. Do your homework, but don't overdo it. Knowledge is power, but over-researching can be paralyzing. Here's my advice: learn just enough to take action. I've met so many aspiring investors who spend years reading books and listening to podcasts, but never actually buy their first property. Start with some solid resources. My favorites? Bigger Pockets, perfect for everything from house hacking to flipping. Living off rentals, amazing if you're eyeing short-term rental opportunities. And of course, channels like the Real Estate Compass, Wink, for practical, actionable advice. But don't let analysis paralysis hold you back. Some of my best lessons came from taking risks, making mistakes, and learning on the fly. For example, when I bought my first rental property, I underestimated the renovation costs by, let's just say, a lot. But that experience taught me how to budget better and avoid costly mistakes in the future. 3. Build your A-team. In real estate, you don't win alone, it's a team sport. Here's who you need in your corner: a rockstar realtor. Make sure they're experienced in investment properties. Bonus points if they own investment properties themselves. A lender who gets it. Not all banks are created equal. Some won't touch short-term rentals or flips, so find one who knows the game. A savvy attorney. Protect your assets and stay compliant with local laws. A great property manager. If you're not managing tenants yourself, this person is worth their weight in gold. And don't forget contractors, inspectors, insurance advisors, and a CPA who understands real estate tax benefits. Build relationships with these pros before you even start shopping for properties. You'll thank me later. Be a prepared investor. When the right deal comes along, you need to be ready to move fast. Here's how. Have your funds ready and seasoned in your account for at least 60 days. Get pre-approved with your lender so you can make offers confidently. Know your investment criteria. Whether it's cash flow, appreciation, or a mix of both, stay laser-focused on your goals. And one more thing, don't do anything that'll derail your credit, like financing a new car or opening a store credit card. Underwriters do not like surprises. 5. Take action. This is the most important step. The hardest part of real estate investing is going from 0 to 1. But once you buy that first property, everything else gets easier. They say the best time to invest in real estate was yesterday. The second best time is today. So, stop waiting for the perfect deal and start looking for the right deal. So, there you have it, your 2025 guide to starting your real estate investment journey. I hope this video gave you the confidence and clarity to take the next step. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Real Estate Compass for more insights into the real estate market. Got questions about buying, selling, or investing in properties? Feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help. You can find all my contact info in the description below. Again, I'm Nye Tao with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners in North Georgia, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's navigate the market together.